Hey guys, this is Danish Rahman here. This is my first video and it's going to be about the iPhone 4, which is the fourth actually installment or mobile in the iPhone series. Apparently, it's uh, way different from the iPhone 3G and the iPhone 3GS. As you can see in this, it's going to be thicker and it's going to be way more improved in a lot of ways. So I'm not gonna go talk any more longer, and I'll just tell you about this thing. Okay, the first thing that Apple has said about it is that it'll have a 960 by 640 LCD display, which will look quite cool, as you can see around here. Okay, and it'll also have Steve Jobs and Apple have very strongly said that it will be scratch free, which is like this complete area will be scratch free. So I don't believe it, but we might as well just see eventually. And it's also got two 5 megapixel cameras in the back, as you can see here, and in the front. The back one has a flash in it, and they are they look quite cool and everything. And let's see what else. Oh yeah, it's got this stainless steel surrounding, as all of the iPhones and the iTouches do. It's gonna be slightly thicker than normal, and it's gonna have these two separate volume buttons instead of two joint buttons. Okay, and it will also have two mics, which will be somewhere around here. Yeah, that's where it is. As you can see, it's got a really sleek design and everything. The color looks really cool, and I think that it's way better than it is going to be way better than the iPad, because basically the iPhone 4 is, as Apple have said, it is the iPad in. It's going to be technically it has multitasking in it. It's got a way cooler camera, and it's smaller, while the iPad is really bulky and everything. It's smaller, and it's basically a smaller and more efficient version of the iPad. So technically, I'd suggest that you guys should buy the iPhone 4 when it's released on June 24th of this year. That's about it, and this is Danish, and subscribe, view, and rate. Thanks. Bye.